Welcome back. Now let us learn another topic, the table, various tables. And those who are coming from Excel background, you have seen that Microsoft Excel can generate a lot of tables. And in particular, a pivot table is a very useful thing in Microsoft Excel. If you know how to generate, it's good. If you don't know, no problem. Let's start loading. And line 153, we are reading the data fresh because you have done so many changes here there. So line 153 we are loading afresh. Line 154 we are converting the column name to uppercase. Okay. Line 157 we are changing a data type for categorical column, converting to factor. And from line 160 we start learning the table. So let us learn, let me run it first, then I'll explain. I have just run the line 167 and see the table which has given for origin. It is giving me simply count that American is having 245 row, European 68, Japanese 79. Okay, and this is the one very simple one way. Now cross tab basically 2. So let me run 163. So this 163 is for origin, that is these three things, and cylinders. So data we are having the cylinders 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the cylinders. So what it is saying, American 4 cylinder are the 69 rows, 6 cylinders are 73 rows, and 8 cylinders are 103 rows, and similarly for others. So this is the cross tab. This is the two way I think many of you have still recognized that you have worked with this kind of table. You can do it as much as possible, and you can manipulate or you can change whichever way you want to work with. And I have written the utility function in the common utils, few of these things. So first let me, okay, it has gone up. I'm running the line 166 and 167. Okay, first of all, this gate count and percentage that has been written in the common utils over here. Now, as just pause the video and try to understand what this is. What is this data? Just try to understand. Okay. So if you observe that this is the count of this one, plus we had given the something called percentage. It means around 62% American, 20% Japanese, 17% European. Okay. And let us see this one, 174. Let me run it first, then I'll explain you. And I'm running it. So what it is saying, for this categorical, there is something called cylinder, or you can have any numeric variable here. What is the average value of the per American cylinder? That is 6.28. Average value of European 4.16 and Japanese 4.10. It is saying that for any categorical column over here, if you want to see the average value, then give the numeric column here. So this is what this function does it. And one more utility function that has been written 176 I've run and I'm printing it. So it has besides giving few information, it is also giving the sum wise, row sum and the column sum. And see, this is just I have written for as a helper function because this is what I have seen required in most of the projects. But it may happen that if your requirement is different, then you can modify these utility functions, this one, and this one. You can modify it as per your requirement. Okay, and definitely this is just for learning purpose, so you can update as and when you require. So that's all for the various tables, and thank you for watching it. See you in the next one.